if a lot of you guys, white people who have been branding this guy is calm, has been very optimistic, and the government on your government are very optimistic about it, they would have put it on the CNN, on BBC. But I know giving it that publicity will crumble the Western economy and shut it down in a matter of split seconds. So they don't want to do that mistake. So how come this big gigantic scam? A lot of you guys are claiming that the president of Zimbabwe is in collaboration with the Mr. Nobody, MAXWEL Chikumbutso, to scam people. Why is he not in the Western mainstream media? Not even Al Jazeera want to talk about it. Not even the First Post. Not even Vantage. Not even a BBC. Not even Fox News. Okay, we are going too far. Not even the YouTubers. The white YouTubers are not even talking about it. Big YouTubers are not even talking about it. That's to tell you something is really fishy. However, I think about 5 years ago or something, Hush Puppy, the guy who did an email compromise from Nigeria, you guys know the story of Hush Puppy. It was all over the news. So whenever it's a bad thing, something terrible, something horrible, something unimaginable, let's say it's a part of Africa where there is a cannibalism being practice, you're going to see it on CNN before anybody even make any sentence. But when it comes to groundbreaking technology, so disruptive as this, the West don't want to give that publicity to Africa because it's going to change a lot of things. Now, if you guys don't understand how big this is, I want to go back again a little bit to Nigeria. The cost, what determines how good anyone is going to live in Nigeria is the cost of fuel. Nigeria is a giant of crude oil, but their citizens are suffering terribly. I mean, immense poverty that is making a lot of them to dive into the ocean and never come back again. It's making a lot of them to follow through the desert of sub-Saharan desert, eaten by wild animals, and nobody cares about it. A lot of them are in prison in Libya, trying to cross over the Mediterranean Sea because of the immense hardship they are going through because of what? Because of oil, because of fossil fuel. Then imagine where this guy invention came into Africa and destabilized all this. The cost of fuel is going to be crashing soon, guys. 2025. As I'm talking to you right now, MAXWEL, Chikumbutso, and his company are partnering with a lot of other companies to mass produce this very technology. They produce the car. SAIT technology from MAXWEL Chikumbutso powers the car to run infinitely. And so for a lot of you guys who are saying if radio wave is not available, it is not radio wave. There was a serious conversation somewhere where he pointed it out. He was so excited while talking to a white guy that he didn't know if it is alien that is actually broadcasting such wave. But since 90s, 2003, that frequency has never dropped a peep. It has been readily available. And that's why I have been working on it. So the reason why I decided to make this live today is to tell you guys that, look, someone can't spend near to 20 years trying to scam people. When you heard about Nigerians scamming people, yes, they scam people, yes. But they will not spend even 3 years studying a company that want to scam. No, it's too much. 3 years is too much. Now, they won't even collaborate with the president of the country because why? The US president, the world leaders can just decide to control any president of the world. So why will you want to collaborate? If you want to scam the Western world, why will you collaborate with the president? Which a lot of you guys already know that a lot of them are puppets, Western politicians puppets. So the invention is too good to be true, yes. It's too huge, it's so disruptive, it's unbelievable, yes. But scam, no. Not even close. So I would have dedicated today seriously just for this very podcast. So, and I don't know why your messages are not coming in. Just stop at the Francis 6969. Okay, that's a 69691. The rest is not coming out. The thing that is, I'm not so used to going live. There has been a time I